The color code of your car means the type of paint that your manufacturer used when they were producing the car, and you can find the color code in two places in your vehicle. So first of all, the color code may be found on the VIN plate. This is the metal plate with the VIN number of your vehicle, and somewhere in this VIN plate you can find something like this. In my car it's NH603P. This is the color code. Unfortunately, in Honda they don't give the information that exactly this is the color code. In other cars you may see kind of color or paint number or something like this written here. Or the second possible thing where you can find is a service book that you have, and on the first page of this book you will have different information about the vehicle, and here is the paint number, the paint code. Unfortunately, the Honda dealership representative was in a bad mood when he was writing this, and you'll probably not understand that these numbers mean the paint code and what these numbers are. I just know that it's NH603P. And when you will need this color code is when you buy paint for painting your car, when you buy used parts, when you buy parts from a scrapyard to install in your car, I mean body parts of course, painted parts. And you can buy these parts according to the color code of your car and they will match. But there is a catch. When you buy used parts, or when you buy paint to paint a car that is older than 5-6 years, you may better use this scanning technique that they use in body repair shops and paint stores. Over time, some effects like sun and weather may affect your paint, and it may change its shade a little bit. And then when you buy the paint according to your color code, or when you buy the body part, the used body part, according to the color code, they may not exactly match, and you will see the difference. It's slight difference, but you may spot that this part was painted or it was bought used. So if you need to paint or repair the body of an older car, you may need to go to the paint store, to the body repair shop, and order the service that is called scanning of your paint, and they will scan the shade of the paint that is currently in your vehicle, and they will tell you, and they will mix this paint for you. They will use different paints and mix this exact shade that now you have in your vehicle, and you will have the paint that will match everything in your car.